Well, hey guys, after I've had something a while, I like to come back and kind of do an update on it, and that's exactly what I'm going to do today. This is the Endura Max by Minn Kota 55-pound thrust with the 36-inch shaft. Now, I'm not going to go over all the things. If you want to see the day I bought it and the unbox it and all the details, I'm going to put a link there at the end and down in the description, and you can look at that and watch that video if you want to. But I'll go over just a couple of real quick things. Now, this is variable speed. It's not like the old kind where you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can vary it, you know, in percentage. It's got a telescoping handle, so you can pull it in and out. Right here, that's where you adjust the height, and this lever right here is where you raise and lower it on your transom. Now, the battery I'm going to be using is just an Everstart from Walmart. It's a 29 DC 845 marine cranking amps. And well, what I want to do, let's just put it on the boat. We're going to go out and we're going to try it and see how well it performs after a year. What's nice about this one is this telescoping handle. You can just pull it to wherever you need. Then, like I say, it's variable speed, so you can just turn it where you want. If you're not sure how much battery you got a battery indicator right here on top. Right now, I've got it on 100%. Well, this is a 4-acre pond, and I'm all the way to the other side. You can see where I'm at. I probably was over here in just a few seconds, so it will definitely push this 16-foot flat bottom with relative ease. If you have been watching my videos for any period of time, you know for about 4 or 5 years there, I just used an actual 30-pound thrust trolling motor on this boat, which actually did good. This is probably an overkill, but I just decided I wanted to upgrade. So if I'm going to upgrade, I'm just going to go ahead and get the biggest. So even if I'm in the wind, I'm not going to have any trouble. Now, like I say, this is about a 4-acre pond, so I can get around this pond just as quick as I want. And if I got a headwind, it's not going to give me any trouble. Now, that little 30-pound, it did fine. Now, if I was on a windy day and I was into a headwind, it did struggle. But hey, this 55-pound, it don't struggle at all. One of the questions I know I'm going to get, and I haven't ever answered it, is how fast will it go? Now, again, this is a 16-foot boat. It's heavy. It's heavier than what I like, but hey, that's what I've got. Now, I've got my Garmin Striker 4. But this video is not about that. I did a video on this. If you want to look up and click on the eyeball, you can watch the video on this graph. Also, I've got it mounted on a tackle box where I can take it in and out. This is called a Scotty Mount. The transducer just comes around, so when you get through, you can just bring it up, pull it around, and sits right up here. You can take it and put it in your garage, and it just comes on and off your boat. And I'm going to put a link up top too if you want to see how I actually did this Scotty Mount. So hey, let's put it back in. I know it's going to probably be hard to see, but we're going to try to see how fast this thing will go. I'm going to get the camera up here. Now we're in 18 foot of water. This, I guess we're right down here, like this third one down. When I take off, that's going to be the speed. So I'm just going to turn it wide open. We're going to head out. Okay, we're at 2.3. There's There's 3.5. You can see it right here. 3.5. Looks like 3.51 was the best I could get. So about 3.5. Well guys, if you're thinking about buying you a Transom-Mount trolling motor, this Minn Kota Endura Max 55 pound thrust may be the one for you. Now I'm going to tell you, if you're going to put it on a canoe or a kayak, it's going to be an overkill. But hey, I'd rather have too much than not enough. So hey guys, if this helped you out, if you got any questions, put them down there. I'll do my best to answer them. Please give me a thumbs up. Check out my other videos. Like I say, I'm going to put the unboxing video, I'm going to put it down there in the description, and I'm going to put a end screen here so you can click on that if you want to see the unboxing. But hey, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I will catch you later.